So morning I discussed the formula sin A plus B. Uh, so here write down solution LHS. I am taking here LHS. Sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y. So formula is sin A plus B. The formula you have know that sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is the formula. So write down here sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B divided by sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So our purpose here to convert into 10 form. Our purpose is convert to 10 form. So dividing here sin x cos y plus cos x into sin y dividing cos x into cos y, and here also sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y. So see here, if you will divide this one and this one, so both will cancel, dividing numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. So see here, dividing cos x into cos x into cos y. So this one will be cancelled as it is. So now break this one. We can write like this: sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y divided by cos x into cos y. Sin x into cos y divide cos x into cos y plus here cos x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y. So equal to. So here also separate this one. So sin x into cos y divided by cos x into cos y minus cos x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y. So see here, first of all sin x plus y formula. Use the sin x plus y, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Sin a minus b, sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Our purpose to convert into 10 form. So dividing cos x into cos y. See here, cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y. Divide. So both will cancel. There will be no change. So now this one is separating. We know that a plus b by 2, we can write a by 2 plus b by 2. So similarly here, a by 2 plus b by 2, like this we have converted here. So see here, sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y divided by cos x into cos y plus sin, plus here keep cos x into sin y, cos x into sin y, cos x into cos y here. So similarly here also we did like this. Now see here, cos y and cos y cancel. Cos x here, cos x cancel. Here cos y cancel. Cos x cancel. So this one is sin x by cos x is 10x, sin y by cos y is 10y, Sin x by cos x is 10x. Sin y by cos y is 10y. So write on here 10x plus 10y divided by 10x minus 10. So this is your 10x plus 10y, here 10x minus 10y. This is your RHS. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is your sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y. So left hand is equal to right hand. Hence proved. You write here, hence proved. Hence proved. Now so that tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Solution. We know that three x is equal to, we can write like this, 2x plus x. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Now applying tan both sides. So tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus x. Now the formula of tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this is the formula. So suppose this is A and this is B. So tan A plus tan B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is tan 3x. Now cross multiply. We have to cross multiply. So see here, it implies tan 3x multiply 1 minus tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now see here, tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. So now this one you transfer right side. This one you transfer right side and this one you transfer left side. So see here, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. So see here, this one you transfer right side, so become tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. And this one you transfer left side, so tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So this is your RHS, this is your RHS and this is your LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to this one. Hence proved. So we can write here, hence proved. Hence proved. So now you have to prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x equal to root 2 cos x. We know that the formula cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So use this formula and solve. So see here, LHS is equal to cos pi by 4 plus x cos pi by 4 minus x. Suppose this is x, or you can assume c and here d. So cos c plus cos d, like cos x plus cos y, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this one here plus x and minus x cancel. So here become 2 cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 times pi by 4 and divided by 2 into here cos pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. So see here, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 cancel. So this one here 2 and 2 cancel. So become 2 cos pi by 4 into cos 2x by 2. So here 2 and 2 cancel. So 2 cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into cos x. So root 2 we can write here, root 2 into root 2 divided by 2 into cos x. So root 2. So this root 2 and this root 2 cancel. So is equal to root 2 cos x. This is your RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved.